rang ba ka jala konrad ke sangma hasi palejung tayo ula pentip ba ka sorkar kadang ya sakmat ban Iakren ba ki katuk ani ki kynhun na ka banta bantay iaka Shillong Medical College leng ba ka public private partnership lani PPP u konrad sangma uloong ba ka ni ka jengkiran kala ya sakmat hadian ba ka sorkar kala penduk pendam no ya ka MOU balaya soy ba ka company bantay ya ka Shillong Medical College habakani ke company kam simlala ban penya ya ka kam buat hadian siposnem uloong ba habaka sorkar kala penduk no ya kani ke jingi soy sekolah kumta kala persang ban wat ikilat klenti bantai ya ka medical college bat kala Iakren baki company bat ki hospital shimet bakin wan etrelang baka sorkar ha ka bantai ya ka medical college uloong ba kila dan way arngut Kibalawan Iakren ban pan ya ke jaka bantai ke medical college bat ken mangkerpang iki seat na kabenta ke jela Meghalaya. U konrad sang mau loong ba ke sorkar keladep ban itu ya ke jaka ke badan sanpau eka haniu Shillong Township. Na kabenta bantai ke medical college bat ula penpau ba kan long ke kam ke bakhia bha ya ke sorkar bakan tehi ya ke medical college ban bu iki doktor ki bet bat ban penya hi ya ke ni ke college.
You see, the way we have observed is that running a medical college is not easy. Apart from having to pay for the running expenditures, which runs at hundreds of crores annually, the availability of doctors and professors also is a huge challenge. And with so many medical colleges coming up in so many different parts of the country today, the chances of good lecturers and good professors coming to our part of the country is lesser because obviously they will have other options which they may go for. So the competition becomes more. So therefore, from a government point of view, running a college is something that is very challenging, and hence we strongly feel that having a PPP mode is most probably the most idealistic way and proper way to go ahead, because we need to, as I said, not just set it up, we need to run it smoothly and efficiently. And but at the same time, obviously, the other side of the story is that the seats then are lesser. But then if we can talk to the people concerned and we can justify the investments made from our side and the costs that are incurred from our side, and based on that we get fair enough seats, then it becomes the best model to move forward in. So therefore, we are in favor of discussing with more private parties, not just the Shillong Medical College, which we are thinking of, but even further than that also, that we are hoping that not just 2, but at the end of the day, 4, 5, 6 medical colleges if can come up, because it is required very much. And for government to run all of this, even to construct all of this, would be huge challenge, and hence the PPP model would be the most practical way to move forward.
Menteri rang ba ka jela uloong ba ka sorkar jela kan wat ikilat klenti ban seng no yela ka jong ka cancer hospital ke Bapura po ka jela lada don kam. Henry ka sorkar kadang pai khmat ban penyar bat kentiu ka dan ya ka cancer wing ka badan ha civil hospital Shillong khnang bakan la ban ai ka jing sakri. U konrad loong ba ka long ko bakong san ban shimkhia ha ka be day ba ka jing pet binya ni ka screening ban lap kloi ki jing pang bat ban yo ban ai jing yada ya ka jing embryo ulei thu ba ka cancer wing ka ba khandai pho jing thia ha Shillong Civil Hospital kala tre kam menta usnem mang tangka bat ka sorkar ka don ni ki jing smu ban pen kha ya ka cancer wing saha tura Civil Hospital.
You see, it has a lot to do with screening and early detection and prevention. So therefore, Meghalaya in fact is going for a holistic approach to all of this. We are looking at doing massive amount of screening so that early detection can be done and lives can be saved. And at the same time, as I said, we are going for the treatment part also, augmentation, where we realize that the current setup needs to be increased. And definitely, if the need arises and based on the financials involved and all the other aspects involved, we'll definitely explore the idea of even having a full-fledged hospital if necessary. But right now, our plan is to augment and increase the overall capacity and overall services that are there in the cancer wing.
Menteri rang ba uloong ba ka sorkar kadang Iakren bat ke Airport Authority of India lani ke AAI lem bat ki wiki agency ban penyar ka runway jong ka Umroi Airport khnang ba ki ling sun ki ba kham he kin la ban hiar Menteri rang ba ong ba ka sarkar kam dan jing tmu ban sna ya ka ling sun ke bathamai namar on dan kam ya ka jaka ka ba he bat ban tei ya ka ling sun ke bathamai ka jing lut jing sep kan kot de ki spak lur tengka bat kampat long ru ke basai kedar la ka sarkar pedeng kan bei tengka halor kan ke projek u konrad la pentep ru ba ka baljek airport ke badan harilum garu sen kan sedang terikam no ha ka bakin don kiling sun kiban kamai na Shillong Shatura bat ka sarkar ka don ru ki jingmu bante ye ki heliport ha Shillong Batura ban pensuk ya kalik kawan jogi pat ba.
So it's like this. Earlier, this was based on a court case that had happened. So therefore, as per the court's directions, a certain study and work was done into it. But we have also realized that setting up a new airport requires huge land acquisition, which may run into hundreds of crores. And then you need to obviously invest in the airport also, which we are not sure whether the government of India will actually invest or not, and how much they will help. So there is a lot of uncertainty and ambiguity when it comes to the new airport. We can still examine that. But easier way would be to see if we could somehow make this current airport slightly, more flexible and expand the runway and get more technical inputs as to whether larger aircrafts can land or not. So it looks like an easier proposition, and hence we are going to explore both. But as I said, the financial implications for the first one of having a new airport are too high. And hence, it looks like if we go for option B, if it's possible, then we would prefer, because we'd be able to save money and the existing infrastructure could be used.